Hello, my name is Henrik and I'm going to show you how Media Center works. In short, Media Center is where you store all media, access it easily and also plan for future events. The media is structured in a folder tree here on the left. Click on a folder and its containing media appears here. You can build your own folder tree in Media Center, all to make it logical to your organization depending on what sort of media you store. If you work with, for example, packaging design, you might want to have an assortment structure. But you can also combine it with a market structure. Same media, but divided into markets. Other media can be structured into different kinds of categories, such as images, films, campaigns, etc. Up here you can type in text to filter the media. Maybe you want to find all media that contains the word 3D or a specific artwork. When you found the media you need, you can view the media as well as any specific info. For example, when it was created or where it was printed. You can also download it and share it. If you look for older media that's been replaced by newer versions, for example, to see how media has changed over time, click Show Obsolete. The old versions of the media will appear with the word obsolete over it. If you double-click it, it will appear in a new browser window along with info, such as when and in which project it's been created, who participated in the project, where it was printed, and so on. All folders and subfolders can be shared with anyone in and outside your organization. You can also share and download one or more media items. You can use Media Center to plan your future campaigns, create a folder and gather images, documents, and briefs for the upcoming projects in one place. Drag and drop media from other folders in Media Center. Supplement it with a brief and maybe some images for inspiration from your own computer. When you're done, you can share the folder with team members of your choosing. For example, a design agency. Another great feature for planning is placing comments in the media. This makes it very easy and convenient to store all those little details concerning what to change the next time around. Place a comment on the media, and when it's time for an update, your comments become a part of your brief. No need to worry about information getting lost over time. Last, but far from least, Media Center is a vital part of your media lifecycle. Start an update project and drag and drop files from Media Center to projects. When the project is finished, drag and drop the media back to the Media Center and mark the old files obsolete. That way, Media Center is always up to date and automatically contains vital info with minimum effort and minimum risk, especially compared to having separate systems for projects and media storage. If you want to know more about Cway, please check out our channel or visit our website. All links are in the description box. Bye bye!